So this is Sblot Community Volunteers. This was set up a long time ago, which started off as a simple soup kitchen to help people in this Sblot community who are struggling. It's mothballed into something so big now, which is a great facility in the community. Pay a few pounds, you get a big breakfast, a tea and coffee, and you get a lot of food to take home as well for people who are struggling. So we have lots of volunteers working here, from the likes of Fred behind me, and you set up the charity. Got a lot more volunteers come with the breakfast people. They do events here at Christmas time, events for kids, after school clubs, and they all volunteer their time.
Are you right?
Yeah, not bad. You alright?
I've been attending this location now for the last few years. We engage with the community here, and they come to us with any questions or any advice, sort of a safe space where they come to talk to us, can promise to the community, and if they don't want to record it, they know we're going to be here on certain days, so they come talk to us about anything. We'll just give them advice, anything that's going on in their lives or on the streets.